Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Citibank easy tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in Citibank, start by researching its financial health and recent performance. Check out reliable financial news websites and analyst reports for insights. Visit the official Citigroup website to understand their business operations and strategic initiatives. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Find a reputable online broker that offers access to Citibank shares. Complete the account registration process by providing the required personal information. Verify your identity by supplying any necessary documentation. Fund your brokerage account through a bank transfer or other accepted methods. Once your account is funded, log into your brokerage platform. Use the search feature to find Citigroup's stock symbol, which is C. Review the stock's current price and historical performance chart. Decide how many shares you want to purchase based on your investment strategy. Prepare to place your order by selecting a market or limit order. A market order purchases shares at the current market price. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy. Review your order details for accuracy before confirming. Click the Buy button to complete your transaction. Monitor your investment regularly through your brokerage account. Stay informed about Citigroup's quarterly earnings reports and market news that may impact the stock. Consider setting up alerts through your brokerage for significant price movements. Evaluate your investment strategy periodically to determine if adjustments are needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.